Okay, this is our Lego based beer serving machine, and I will show you how these gears work. So we have a motor here, and this is powered by 9 volt like all Lego motors. If I turn the voltage up, the motor is running, and we have 2 gears. One gear for the transporting mechanism and one gear for the cup. And the cool thing with these gears is it's controlled by a servo motor, and I can turn it in 2 directions. So I can either go to this gear and it moves this way, or I can move it this way and it moves the other way around. So now the car drives at the right place. So you see here it's at the right place. And now I can use the other gears to separate a cup. Now it has an end contact. It's not controlled yet, so I control it by hand. And you see, the cup was separated and is falling down, and now I'm controlling the other gears again to move the wagon out there. Okay, to see the separation mechanism again, this slide is moved out, the cup falls down, the slide is moved back, and then the cup is separated. So this is basically the mechanical part. Next video will be about the servos.